down the lobby. That bell. This will be my final ride on these, as these elevators are getting modernized within the next couple of months. Me and Jim will be getting parts though, so that's good. We all know and love this elevator. Again, here's Jim, stopping at 8, gonna pick people up. Y'all going down?
Yes.
Come on in. We're just elevator enthusiasts.
Okay.
All right, Jim, you want to switch here or on 12?
You can go, it's 12.
Okay.
Just let this person off.
Bye, guys.
Have a good one.
You too.
We're going to try to get elevator 5. Hopefully. I'm gonna miss these, but at least I'm getting some parts.